Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Bank of Ireland account. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I am using Chrome. Then, on the address bar, search for bankofireland.com. Once you land on the official website, on the right side you will see Login or Register option. Click on it. From here, tap on Login to 365 online option available here. If you have business account, then go to Login to Business Online. For now, I am clicking on Login to 365 online option. From here, you have to fill out this form to log into your account. First of all, enter your user ID. Then enter your date of birth. If you do not remember your ID, then simply tap on Forget your user ID option available here. Once you fill out both of the information correctly, simply click on Continue. Here, you have to enter your PIN's second, fourth and fifth digit. Once you enter that correctly, simply tap on Login option. If you forgot your PIN, then simply tap on Forget your PIN option right over here. Then click on Login option. Then a verification mail will be sent to your registered email address. Go through it and confirm it. When you confirm it, you will be successfully logged in into Bank of Ireland account. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.